When preparing for a snowstorm, you check your backup generators and stock up on bottled water and groceries, right? You don't wait until it hits, then race to the store to find all the water gone. Your financial emergency kit should also be ready for when the markets drop.
So how do you prepare? First, have cash on hand for emergencies, enough to cover your living expenses for 6 months. We've already set you up with a smart financial plan that allows for this. Second, trust our process and the financial plan we've built together. We've already factored in your unique situation and goals. Third, tell us when things change. If you're facing a major life event, like a new baby or career change, or if your goals are changing, like closer retirement date or saving for a second home. Keeping us in the loop means we can keep your financial plan up to date. And 4, focus on you, not the news. The news does not reflect what's going on with your portfolio, which is based on your own risk tolerance. Let's focus on what we can control and not worry about what we can't.
We've already built your plan to withstand market ups and downs to help prepare you for the snowstorms ahead. But if your situation is changing, let's talk. We're always here for you. At Pudiak Wealth Management, we know finding your true wealth is not just about money. It's about the lifestyle that your money affords you.